How to find Facebook's deleted post. If you want to find a deleted post on Facebook, maybe that you deleted it and you're trying to find it. So once you open up Facebook, you just have to tap on the profile icon from the top left to come to your profile page. Then from there, just tap on the three dots icon that you'll be able to find. Then go to the option called Manage Post. So once we're here under Manage Post, we'll be able to see various options over here. So we will just tap on Filters and we will tap on Privacy and we'll go to the deleted post options. So over here you'll be able to see deleted posts. So if you go to activity log also, you can go to activity log and go to recycle bin to see if anything that you've deleted, or from here you can go to these options and you'll be able to filter them accordingly. So this way you can find deleted posts and find it on Facebook. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.